Let's look at this. It says find S and Y. Find S and Y. The first thing, as you can see, this is 90 degrees. It means this is a right angle triangle. We can apply the trigonometry ratio on this. The next thing we need to investigate, this is the only angle given to us. So what we need now, we need an angle, a known angle, and a known side. Okay? So we need a known angle and a known side with a combination of either S or Y. As you can see, this is a known angle, which is 78, and this is a known side. So we're going to combine this, this, and this. What is this to this angle? This is opposite. What is this to this is what? The hypotenuse. So what is that? Opposite and hypotenuse. That is sine. It means sine 78 is equals to opposite, which is 10, over x, which we are looking for. What we need to do, we cross multiply. You agree with me? We're going to have s as equal to 10 over sine 78. Just switch the position. Okay? With this now, we can find sine 78. Either you use your trigonometry table, if you're allowed in your exam or anywhere, you can use your calculator. For me, I'm going to use calculator. From here, I'm having 0.9781. Okay, let me leave it like this. So 10 divided by this, that is 10.22. Okay? So S is equal to 10.22. Because no unit was given to us, centimeter, meter, we leave it like this. Okay? Now let's go for the second part. That is Y. What is this Y to this angle? That is adjacent. Now we're going to look at adjacent versus opposite, because opposite is known. Known and unknown. This is opposite, this is adjacent. The combination of opposite and adjacent is what? That is what? Tan. So tan 78 is equals to 10 over Y. Opposite over adjacent. What we need to do, we switch side by saying Y equals to 10 over tan 78. Now let's use calculator again. What is tan 78? That is 4.705 approximate. Then we are going to divide now. 10 divided by this, we have 2.13. So as you can see, these are the values of S and Y. Okay?